Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we are going to solve another boot to root challenge, name called Sunset Flight. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here, reconnaissance, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation and read the root flag. So first open the terminal. So you just type sudo su and enter the password. Then you just type net discover minus f80. So first we would like to identify our network. So we identify our network. So you just quit now. You just type nmap minus t4 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address, this one. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So we got the nmap result. One is available with 22. It's available with SSH and SMTP, then HTTP Apache server, then NetBIOS system. Then we would like to go with FTP. FTP is 2121. So that's not useful. So we would like to wait for we need to find the username and password for this, and 8080, it's like a PHP client server. That's it. So now we would like to open a new tab. Then we would like to first visit the targeted website. We just type 192.168.1.92. Then welcome to the gallery of the database. Here is a multiple pictures will be stored within the database. So check on the current page. So you can click on the pictures. So it is vulnerable with an SQL injection. So we are not going to do an SQL injection. So you can see here you have an error in MySQL syntax. Check the manual for corresponding of MySQL server. Write with the syntax near on the parameter equal to 1. So okay, come back. So then it's an hyperlink and check the languages. So it's an English, so no worries. So we would like to look the page source, any useful information we get. So there is no any useful information. So now we would like to copy this one, come back, open this a directory buster, paste it. So now let's wait for the directory buster. Any useful information we can get it. So here we got one is a gallery. So just copy this one, come back and paste it. Then we would like to go. So max image uploader. So we got it max image uploader. So we would like to get it from here directly and in reverseshell.php. So we would like to get the pentest monkey. Also we would like to look here in the gallery. It's an index.php. So we would like to copy this one, copy, come back, file, new tab. We would like to open this. This also is same. Then open again. So just copy, open this. So it's in a directory. So what else you have uploaded in the max gallery? So you can get it here. So we would like to upload our pentest monkey. So now what else we would like to do here is we would like to wait for this entire of the scan is done. So it was entirely done. So you just need to type clear. So you just type mousepad rshell.php. So I already have here from the pentest monkey. So this is my IP address. So I would like to look what is my actual Kali Linux IP address. So you just type ifconfig It's a 91. So I have configured everything clearly here. So you just type save. So we have saved this and we just come back here. So you just type netcat lvnp 1234 and come back here. So open this. We would like to upload the from the browser from home rshell.php. Then once click on upload, it shows only a JPG image are allowed. So we not yet get anything else here. So we cannot able to upload as any JPG here, but we can bypass this one like an arbitrary injection. So for that, we would like to open a bub suite. So just open the bub suite. Click on next and start the bub suite. So we have successfully launched the pub suite. So you just click on the proxy. So once you click on the proxy, you just type here network settings, click on the settings. Then you just put a manual configuration. So then that's it. Then come back here. So you just switch on to the pub suite in the Foxy proxy. Then you just click on the intercept is on. That's it. So now you just click on this browser. You just type rshell.php. And also you would like to look, there is a netcat lvnp1234. It's available. Once you come back here, so you just click on upload. So you got it here. You can see here our rshell.php is on pentest monkey. So the hidden data, everything is came here. Okay. And we would like to click on this send to an repeater. So once send to an repeater, now let's see. No, it's not yet come. So you just type send to an repeater. Yeah, in the repeater we got it. So now we would like to type send, and we can see here a response. We not yet get any response here. Max image upload. Only a JPG images are allowed. So now what we would like to do here? So we would like to delete everything here. You can see here. You just delete this. You just type image JPEG. That's it. And we would like to type again send. Now we can see here rshell.php is directly stored in the normal rshell.php 90991 bytes is saved, and thumb for rshell.php 1027 bytes was stored. That's it. So now we would like to come back to this one. Click on the verb suite. You can disable this. Come back again. You can click on this. You can use a system proxies. Then click on OK. Then including a verb suite proxy. You just off this one. Come back here. You just refresh this one. So we got it here rshell.php. So we just do the bypass of arbitrary image file upload. So then click on rshell.php because I already set up an listener. So I got it here, this one. So you just type id and you just type which Python. You got it. So you just type python minus c import pty span bin bash. That's it. So now just type cd list minus al. So you just type cd mygal. It's a permission is denied. So now what we would like to do here, cat etc password. So we have read all this one etc password. So now we would like to look here. It's have a here in the root. So now I would like to close this above suit. You would like to open this as any this one. So you just copy this one, come back here and paste it. You just type open SL. We would like to get this one is a password for root. That's it. So we got the password for a root. So you just copy this one, come back here in the X place. So you just replace this one and you just type echo and you just put same like this and you just type etc password. That's it we required. So you just copy this one, come back here. So you just paste it echo root and password, enter. So we have successfully done. So you just type cat etc password. So we have successfully added here our password. So you just type su root and password is this one. So just so password is root. So we have successfully done. So you just type list minus al cd mygal list minus al. We got it. You just type cat user.txt. So we read the user flag. So now we would like to read only the root flag. So you just type cd root and you just type list minus al. You just type cat root.txt. So we have successfully read the root flag also. So we have successfully completed this lab. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching. Keep smiling.